Hello guys, review smartphone Realme 9. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover on this, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, adapter for charge with quick charge. Okay, close this. Turn on device. We have triple camera on the back side. On this side, warm case and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, power key. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Display Super AMOLED Full HD, 90 Hz. Open tests, Geekbench 5. CPU we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. GPU Adreno 600, Adreno 610. Okay. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, CPU test results, and GPU test results. GPU test results doesn't work. Okay, and to benchmark look. And to benchmark, okay, close this, and run the modded game GTA San Andreas. Okay. Game works perfect on the max graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.